We're at the famous Xi'an Bell Tower today. Have a look. There's a big traffic circle that surrounds the bell tower. It goes all the way around. Hi, Tessa. You want something?
I want to go inside. Look up there. I'll see all the inflatables up there. It's like some kind of mall there.
What do you guys think?
Cool. It's cool.
Yeah?
A lot of birds. I'm afraid to get pooped on. But the architecture is pretty. I love the mix of the new and the old.
Lots of people taking photos here.
There's a big mall here. And look, they've got inflatables up here on the roof.
Oh yeah. Inflatables on the roof. You wanna go inside, guys?
Yeah.
Have a look inside.
Marcus wants a bell tower ice cream.
There's a guy selling ice cream that the kids really want to eat. Let's see what they have. Is that bell tower ice cream? A woman. Ooh, they're shaped like the bell tower. They sell coins here. Commemorative coins. History of the bell tower. Seems to be all in Chinese. Picture of the bell tower.
The town population moved, so they moved the entire bell tower to the
Really?
center, so that it would be
Wow.
center, so that everybody could hear the time. But just so they had to recreate the base, and then they moved the entire structure.
Where did you read that?
I read it this morning.
Oh, okay. I was going to say everything here is in Chinese.
I can read Chinese. Are you surprised?
You can see the architecture on the roof. Very, very intricate woodwork.
You want me to give you some facts?
Sure.
The bell is 36 meters high and stands on a base of 35.5 meters long and 8.6 meters high on each side. There are 3 layers of eaves on the external carved beams, and internal is up and down layers. I don't know what that means. As the city grew, this is what I was talking about, as the city grew, the geographical center changed, and the bell tower was moved 1,000 meters east of the original site in 1582. Except for the base, all parts are original, and history tells us that the relocation was accomplished quickly and inexpensively. making it a truly notable achievement in the architectural history of China.
Do you know you can climb up to the higher too? There's a stairs there. You can climb up. Want to try?
Yeah.
Let's go, Marcus. Lead the way.
Please keep to the right when walking up and down the stairs and mind your step.
Do all early steps.
Keep to the right, Marcus. Wow, look at the top. The history of how they made it, like the clay, is how they make the bricks for the tower. Souvenirs that kids loved, including Tessa. I don't know if you can buy it there. Maybe. I don't know. No. Maybe somewhere nearby. Hold on, let me. Hey Marcus, you ready to go outside? Have a look? Let's go.
So hard.
Look at that view. Alright, we're gonna walk around the bell tower from the top floor.
那你转4个面，到现在还有1个。
Go ahead, what?
Can you please get a cat?
What cat? Free adoption for cats. Alright, we are at a pedestrian street near the Xi'an clock tower. Let's check it out. It's really... It's been a rainy day today. Actually, it's not too bad because it's been so hot that the rain makes it a lot more comfortable. Okay, just walk a bit first. We have to come out anyway. There's some kind of a sporting store here. Let's walk down one side, come out the other side, guys.
设计创新，形成满意做法。设计创新，全球100元3件，100元3件，休闲运动
Alright, Marcus wants to go,
100元2
and Tessa wants to go to this shop here. There's a Miniso there too. This is some kind of toy store. Playing Cantonese pop. That's cool. Hey, you want to buy some big playing cards?
These things are really fun to play with. These things are really fun to play with.
Yeah.
I might get one.
What else is there? Look there. Good. Hey Mo, are those crochet? Those are not crocheting, right? No. Probably. You probably walk it. Don't take it off yet. Just put it back, Marcus. Put it back. $10. Yep.
That's a.
We have some knockoff brands here. Champon, Chow Dan for Jordan, Fast Fish. I'm guessing that's a Nike knockoff. What do you guys think about this street?
Cool.
It's kind of nice, right? Yeah.
I'd rather go to the mall. How much to buy?
Just to walk around, that's all.
I don't want to walk around. I want to shop.
There's a big square there, Playhouse nightclub.
Daddy, what's that?
Some kind of shopping center, I think.
Well, did you take what's down there? Daddy said it's some sort of shopping center.